Bayan, huwag nyo nang hanapin ang mga pulis sa presinto sapagkat kami ay nasa inyo ng mga telepono. Dial 911, darating kami sa loob ng 5 minuto.
911, what's your emergency?
In a swift and decisive response, personnel of the Antipolo Component City Police Station apprehended a suspect on site following a reported stabbing incident on the evening of July 28, 2025. At around 10:02 p.m., a 911 call was received regarding an alleged stabbing incident at Sitio Malanin, Barangay de La Paz, Antipolo City. Responding without delay, Police Corporal Roel Pagua and Patrolman Marvy Malano, under the direct supervision of Police Lieutenant Colonel Jaime Pederio Jr., officer in charge, were immediately dispatched to the area. The team arrived at the scene at approximately 10:07 p.m. and registered an impressive 5-minute response time. Upon arrival, the officers swiftly located and arrested the suspect at the scene and subsequently brought to the station for proper documentation and legal proceedings. The prompt response of the Antipolo PNP underscores its unwavering commitment to public safety and its continued efforts to ensure peace and order in the community.
Ako po si Bernel, ang tumawag sa 911 sa aming lugar may pangyayaring stabbing accident na kinantungan ng pagkamatay ng aming kasama na si Gio. Isang tawag ko lang po sa 911 ay ilang minuto lang po dumating na kagad yung mga pulis na Antipolo. Hindi na pumabot sa 5 minuto, dumating na po sila kagad. Ayun ay mabilis naman po nahuli yung suspect dahil hindi makalayo doon sa pangyayari doon sa pangyayaring pananaksak. Ang suspect ay agad nahuli at hindi na nakatakas. Agad nilang nakuha. Yun lang po, maraming salamat sa ating mga mabubuting pulis ng Antipolo. Mabilis pong responde nila. Maraming salamat po.